If you wanna be a scout, you gotta loaf around with your hands in your pockets and your eyes on the ground. Be as sluggish and slovenly as sleeping. Being ready isn't good. In fact, it's just everybody gotta get scouts. Everybody gotta get scouts. We'll walk up a mountain, we'll go camping, and always stay outdoors.
Really?
Gotcha.
Everybody gotta get everybody! Everybody gotta get one more time!